heading out. Right now it's about 4:30 in the morning. We're gonna go up to D6. We didn't see anything, and we didn't see any squirrel. We saw a black bear, but wow, I didn't have a bear tag, so therefore I didn't even have a chance to shoot it. But man, disappointed. Wow. Right now it is 1 o'clock. Nice, beautiful weather out here. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Even though we didn't get any squirrel, it was still a worthwhile trip. This whole, look at all the trees. Look at how the wind, the breeze is knocking the leaves back and forth. Incredible view. Bé mua lô lantern chứ. Thế chứ mà bỏ cái cửa. Bé mua flashlight cho. Lúc có chữ hú chưa? Cá tiền nữa, xe nữa. Mua tu lỏ mua nó nữa. A squirrel was jumping between these trees. That one right there. The big one in front. See if this guy's coming down or not. I only got probably 15 minutes left before I had to head back to camp. Today I saw two earlier this morning. One ran off, couldn't get a shot. The other one came down a tree. I was too far away and I tried to sneak up on it and then I couldn't see where it is, so coming back to the same trees that the squirrel I saw, the second squirrel I saw this morning. Hopefully he'll come out.